वेलकम टू valsquicktips&tricks यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळी बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. तर टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज to marinate this pork meat. So this is 1 kg of pork and I have washed it nicely. And now we will apply some salt to this. And what we are going to do, I will show you step by step. So we have to put salt, around 3 teaspoon of salt I am putting for this, and we need around 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, and we need some Goan vinegar. So I will be adding like around 2 tablespoon Goan vinegar. Okay, that is our palm vinegar. Now let's marinate this nicely. Keep this and then we can pressure cook this for around 6 whistles. This whole chunk, then we will cut and we'll make what we have to make. So this is the first procedure. Leave this overnight and then we'll cook in a pressure cooker. So now we'll cook this in a pressure cooker. I will put this some few chilies so that it gives flavor. That's it. Cover this. Add 1 cup of water in this. So just 1 cup of water. Give a 6 whistle or till the meat is cooked. So here is our pork meat is cooked. So now we have to cut it into chunks. How you want, small, big, it's up to you. Broth is also there. Then what we need for our masala is to grind. Okay. So we need 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder, or you can use cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole pod of garlic, a piece of cinnamon, a few of cloves, that is around 9 cloves, 2 green cardamom, and few of peppercorns. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19 to 20. So this one, and then we need Kashmiri chilies. So it is like around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Around 11 Kashmiri chilies. Then also we will be needing 2 tomatoes, 3 onions and 2 bay leaves. So we have to grind this with water. Okay. And next procedure is to cut this meat. Chop this also fine. Chop this also fine. Okay. So we'll roast this for few seconds all together, and then we will grind this. So the dish name is PorkBafat. Okay, so my grandmother used to make in this way, and then we need 1 coconut juice, okay, thick coconut juice of 1 whole coconut. So you extract and keep it aside. So in this curry, coconut juice will go. So after roasting, now I'm going to grind it with little bit of tamarind and water as per required. And here our masala is ready. So now let's start to make the bafat, pork bafat. So this is without oil, so we will have to fry our onions and tomatoes with these only fats. So I will take some fat pieces and then start frying the onions and all. So these are the pieces I am taking now. So I have added few pieces. Fry my onion. And along with this, I will add my other pieces also. So let them fry nicely together with the fat. Then we'll add our tomato. We'll add our bay leaves also. And you can see the onions are nicely fried with that fat of the meat. Now we will add our tomatoes. We will add our tomatoes now. And again let them nicely get sauté and fried along with this. Now at this point we will add our masala. And the broth which we cooked our meat, that also we will add. This meat my grandmother used to cook only when there were festivals. Bafat. She used to cook this for 2 days before and keep this. So now we will add that broth along with the chilies, okay? So this is my broth. So I will add this along with this chilies. Mix this nicely. Check the salt and add if needed accordingly. water I will be adding in this half cup, so that this masala and everything, whatever is there, only that part. Okay. So I'll add this water also. And last will be a coconut juice. So let this get nicely this, and then we will add salt. We will add little vinegar. Okay. Done. Salt less चलेगा, more नहीं चलेगा. Looks so yum. Now we will add our coconut juice. Mix this. And we'll cook this on low for just 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, try this. What I'm saying, it's yummy. Don't waste anything. Coconut juice is very tedious work to remove it. If you don't have time, then in market and all you can buy that. For 10 minutes, let it get simmer in this, then it's done. And here is our PorkBafat is ready. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen directly from my grandmother's. What I learned today, I'm come up with y'all. Enjoy, and I'm 100% like everybody will love this curry. It will go with bread, Goan pav, or it will go with even sannas, and also along with pulao, arroz. Okay, thank you. Debore karo.
And here we are, Goan PorkBafat. Yummy, tasty. Enjoy.